Hi, it's Heather. I'm a certified arborist in Bloomington, Indiana, and today I want to talk a little bit about keeping shrubs in place. So here, this is either a arborvitae or a Thuya occidentalis maybe. Anyway, so these guys, I don't think they've ever really been worked on. And what I wanted to show you is when we don't make scaffold branches, we can get a lot of dieback inside because no light gets in there, and then we only have we only have live stuff at the very tippy tips of the branch. So let me just show you one that I just did. And same kind of plant, planted at the same time. And so what we did here was just kind of thin out so we have good scaffold branching and light. And so that way too, the sun will be able to penetrate from all directions of the plants. So anyway, always train your plants early and you can keep them in place for a long time. Thanks.